Hey, I'm Jason. Today in the lab, we're gonna check out the coolest torque wrench that I've ever seen. When we did a video on our residual torque, we used the STRWrench. This is the next generation. This is the STRWrench. We got some things to tighten here. Let's check it out. All right, so we equipped our STRWrench with a smart head capable of 250 Newton meters. We have a program that's set up for 140 Newton meters, which is the target torque for this bolt. All right, we got a green light, we hit our torque target. Now, let me show you my favorite feature of this wrench. You couldn't see the screen because it was tipped towards me. I can actually disconnect this, hot swap this wrench, and show you the screen while I'm tightening because I can index this 90 degrees. All right? All right, so we turn the screen. I won't be able to see it, but it still has indicator lights to tell me when I'm getting right to the torque. Nice. Hit our torque right on the money. So for our next test, we're tightening a much smaller bolt, so we don't need this 250 Newton meter smart head. Let's drop down to the 80 Newton meter smart head. The wrench is still powered on. I can hot swap the smart head to do exactly what I need it to do. And now I'm gonna move on to the 60 Newton meter tightening. So we got the 80 Newton meter beam set up, running 60 Newton meters on these M10 bolts. All right, so there it is. There's a quick test with the STRWrench. We did two different styles here with different interchangeable, indexable smart heads, and there's a bunch of other cool features we have as well. This thing can scan a QR code and pull different tightening strategies, different batch sequences, so you can really optimize your assembly process. But beyond that, this is just the compact version. Coming up in a future video, we're gonna get to show you guys this thing, the advanced STRWrench. So stay tuned for that one. We'll see you next time.